Hello, good morning, class 3 students. Today, let us go through the topic Land and Water, Part 2. First of all, let us study about plateaus. Plateaus are raised areas of land with a flat top. You can see in the image raised areas of land with a flat top. This type of land areas are called plateaus. Plateaus are raised areas of land with a flat top. They are different from mountains because mountains have pointed peaks at the top. Plateaus have flat top, but mountains have pointed peaks at the top. That is why they are different from mountains. Plateaus are also known as tablelands. Since they are flat at the top, they are also known as tablelands. Now, let us see about deserts. There are two types of deserts. First of all, let us study about hot and dry desert. A desert is a large area of land that receives very little rainfall. So, this desert area will be covered of sand because here rainfall will be very less. Very few plants only grow in such areas. Because of the lack of water or rainfall, only few types of plants can grow in desert areas like cactus plants. There are two types of deserts, hot and cold deserts. Hot and dry deserts, cold and dry deserts. Two types of deserts are there. Now let us study about cold and dry desert. Most deserts are dry and hot throughout the year, such as the Thar Desert in Rajasthan, India. So in the previous picture, we have seen a hot and dry desert, the image of a hot and dry desert. In this image, you can see cold and dry desert. Here, because of the snowfall, this in this area also nothing will be grown. No grass cover, no trees, no vegetation, and that's why this area is also called cold and dry desert. Here, these cold and dry deserts are formed because of snowfall or icefall. Some deserts are cold and dry during most part of the year, such as Ladakh in North India. In Ladakh, especially in North India, in Ladakh, there will be cold and dry desert because that area will be throughout the year icy covered region, and because of the icy covering or ice covering the in that area no vegetation can be grown. And now let us see about other landforms. First of all, let us study about island. What is an island? A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. Look at this image. You can see water on all the sides of a particular region. A piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides. Such a type of land is called island. Islands may be found in oceans, seas, or rivers. Another land area is called peninsula. What is a peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. So in the last image, we have seen an island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. But in a peninsula, peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. It is different from an island because it is joined at one end to a larger areas of land. A peninsula is joined at one end. You can see in one image, a one portion, you can see in this image, one portion of this peninsula is joined with a larger areas of land. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Now let us study about oceans. Three-fourths of the earth is covered by water. Already you have studied in your previous classes that three-fourths of our planet earth is covered by water. Very large bodies of water are known as oceans. Oceans are bigger than seas. Very large bodies of water are known as oceans. There are five oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. These are the five oceans. There are five oceans in the world: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Pacific Ocean is the deepest and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And a large body of water smaller than ocean is called sea. So a large body of water smaller than ocean is called sea. So once again go through oceans. Three-fourths of the earth is covered by water. Very large bodies of water are known as oceans. There are five oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. These are the five oceans. And Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean and biggest ocean, and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. A water body, a very big water body, smaller than ocean, is known as sea. Okay, all of you read this chapter very nicely and understand all these topics. Let us see in next class. Thank you.